Hey, what's going on, my YouTube friends and family? It's Brian here, and I wanted to do a quick video to talk about some information. I got a flyer in the mail on this past Saturday, and so I opened it up. I looked at it, and it was a company that was offering a business opportunity that you paid a one-time $20 for, and they say you can make all this money and so forth. So I looked into it, I read into it, and it sounded pretty good on everything. But the problem I had with it is that you paid the $20, and you're supposedly paid on five different levels, and you're only paid like $2 here, one level, $2 the other level, that sort of thing. And so, in reality, are you really going to make any significant money? You could or you couldn't, all depending on depending upon how you were to advertise it. Okay, uh, me personally, you know those programs are fine, but in reality, long term, I don't know. I don't know. I'm a little you know on the fence about if they actually do work like they say they do. Me personally, uh, I like the type of programmers where you just pay one time and then you're able to make money that way. I don't really get into programs where you got to pay a monthly fee because to me that's a little unsustainable. When a person has to pay a monthly subscription or whatever the case may be, if they're not making money, then the likelihood of them re-upping and paying that monthly fee, they could do it, but most of them don't. They just drop out. So me, I prefer I like the medium ticket programs, like something around 250 to start. But I got something here. I've done a video before with this, but this is a great program because it's a one-time fee of $100. That's it. Now, when I say $100, I literally, I literally do mean $100. Okay, you don't have to pay anything outside of $100. Okay, there's no add-ons, there's no extra fees or hidden fees or anything like that at all. Okay, now when you pay the $100, when you make a sale, you're going to get $100 for every sale that you make. Okay, like I said in the previous program I was talking about, you pay $20 one time, but you're getting $2 here, $5 here, that sort of thing. And in reality, can that really add up? I don't know. I don't think so. Me personally, I just I kind of go away from things like that. So with this here, you pay $100 one time. You're gonna get a site that looks just like this. Okay. The only difference is it's gonna have your information on it. Okay. So basically, what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be taking you can get a domain name if you want to, but all you're going to be doing is advertising this particular page. Okay, as you can see here, discover how to turn this page into your page that generates direct $100 payments to you. Okay, so all you're doing is you're advertising this page. Now, I'm not going to do this video here. It's an 8-minute video, but the video is very, very good. I'm telling you guys, once a person looks at this video, all right, they're going to want to sign up. There's no doubt about that whatsoever. Seriously, it's that good. It's not really, really long, but he's a very good salesperson. He tells exactly what it's about, what you're going to be getting, the whole nine. And then the way it works is you select how you want to get paid. For me, I receive money through Cash App and Zelle, that's basically how it works. Now, I'll go down here and let me see here. I'm doing this with one hand, so just bear with me. Okay? Here's a cursor right here. Okay, all right. I've got to get more technically savvy, guys. I really do. Let's see here if this is gonna work. Okay, yeah. See, and you have all these different benefits. Basically, you get resale rights to 10 products. Okay, and this is just talking about the information. $805, which is really good money. All right, so these are all the different things that you're going to have resale rights to. You'll have the product to use yourself, but you also have the resale rights to it, and you get that through marketing this particular website. All right. And so that the whole thing, I guess the point I'm trying to make is this, guys. Okay. Um, Most people who sign up for business opportunities they want something, number one, that can make them some pretty decent money. Okay. In my opinion, to make say $100 a day, $500 a week is pretty good. That's a really good thing. Now, that's not going to make you rich, okay, but that's going to really, help you financially. That's going to help you to pay your car note, pay your mortgage, pay your student loans, pay your taxes, whatever it is you have to do. That's going to, help you dramatically. Not only that, but people are looking for something that's very, very, very simple to do. Now, you don't have to set up all these autoresponders and all this other nonsense. You're going to be given a page that looks just like this. All you have to do, guys, all you have to do is just take this page and advertise it. That's all you got to do. Because once a person goes to the page, I'm telling you, once they watch that video, they're going to want to sign up. And when they do that, the only way they can do that is they got to go through you, and they have to pay you $100 directly. Now, they're not going to send you a check. You're going to get that money instantly. The money's going to come directly to you. No middleman at all. It's going to come directly to you. Now, it's $100 one time only. Most people can afford $100 one time. Now, here it is. It's March the 28th. All right. People are getting their income tax checks, and they're looking for opportunities to make money. They might not be looking for something to do full time, but everyone's looking for that kind of that side hustle, that something that kind of money that can kind of bring them over the top, an extra $500 a month. And with this here, what you're offering them is something that is this. I'm telling you guys, this is so realistic. And the thing about it, which I really love, you have this website. This is your sales tool. Okay, you don't have to twist people's arms. You don't have to, convince them to, go and call into a conference call. Nothing like that at all. All you have to do is just send them your link to take them directly to this website right here. Again, once they get to that website, they're gonna look at it. They're gonna have a video. The guy is a professional salesperson. He's very, very good. He's gonna explain the system to them, and then guess what? Once they decide to join, they're gonna send you, because you'll have your information out here. You can say, do Cash App, not PayPal, Zelle, whatever you want to do. You tell the system how you want to do it, and then they send you the money directly. Once they send you the money, all you have to do is send them a simple email with a URL in there that gives them access to this website, and that's all you have to do. Now, I mean, that's pretty darn simple. It really is that simple, guys. Okay, again, it's nothing complicated at all. You don't have to get an autoresponder. You don't have to get, build the website or all this technical stuff. You don't have to do anything like that at all. Seriously. And with me, I'm very good at marketing. I can write a postcard that would draw some serious attention. And all you want to do is get people to actually go and look at this video. Okay, once they do that, okay, once they say for instance you send it, you place an ad or you do a postcard, which I recommend you do is to do, if you're on Facebook, right? Go to Facebook, put this URL in Facebook, tell people, hey, you've got something hot. Send you a direct message, and you can send them this URL. And then once they get the URL, they'll go to this website, and then your job is done. Once they get to the website does the talking, explaining, selling, convincing for you, so you don't have to do that. All right, simple as that. I'm telling you guys, I'm very I do a lot of different things, but this is good because it's only $100. Okay, there's not, like I said, there's nothing beside $100 you got to pay, and then one sale, you get your money back. But if you advertise this thing consistently, you're going to be making multiple sales, per week, and that's going to really, propel you forward to making money, some serious money, that you can rely on, that sort of thing. Okay, so if you're interested, if you want to find out what this is all about, what I want you to do, I want you to go to, this is my website. Okay, Make Money with Brian. Okay, I'll put this link down in the comments section. All you got to do is click on that link. Okay, click on that link. Go. It takes you to the website that you were just seeing. Be sure to watch the video, listen to it a couple of times, go through the whole site. Then what I want you to do is to simply follow the instructions. It tells you exactly what to do. Follow the instructions. Get a hold of me. Send me the $100. Once you do that, I will send you your the information where you can get a website just like that, and you can get started today. You can start making money today, not tomorrow, but today. So if you're looking for something that's realistic, I've made some serious money doing this. I mean, when I first started doing this, I made $300 in less than an hour doing this. Okay, so it definitely does work. I mean, there's no doubt about that. Okay, but the bottom line is, if you're looking for something simple, something easy, that you're gonna get paid $100 per sign up, and you don't have to do any selling. All you got to do is just simply get the website out there. This is definitely something for you. Again, once you sign up, get a hold of me. I can help you with some different methods of advertising, that sort of thing, and it'll definitely work for you. Okay. So anyway, go to makemoneywithbrian.com, and I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.